Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device supports background audio and that the app has microphone and background play permissions. Open the target app and the system audio mixer. Once done, turn off any exclusive audio options that block mixing. Connect your output now, Bluetooth, wired speakers, or a virtual loopback driver for software routing. You do this because background sound requires the OS to allow mixed streams. Enabling loopback preserves other app audio without interrupting playback. Next, you configure mixing and audio levels so the background supports, not drowns, the main sound. Set input versus output balance around -6 dB for background music, and apply gentle ducking that reduces the background by about 12 dB when speech is detected. Use low-pass or high-pass filters to separate frequency ranges. This prevents muddiness. Route background audio to a separate bus or channel so you can adjust it without touching the primary track. Finally, you finalize the setup by recording a short test clip and listening on multiple devices. This reveals how the background translates across speakers. Once done, fine-tune levels, reduce background by 2 to 4 dB or apply light compression if peaks clip. Make sure to save presets and lock channel routing. If things go wrong, check permissions first, then reassign the audio device or restart the app and system. This common reset fixes driver locks and permission conflicts most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.